What's going on, everyone? Mike here. And hey, listen, I'm on vacation in Seattle, but I had to hop on because the Donald, Elon Musk are fighting, butting heads. The market is dropping. What does this mean for you and for me? Well, let's dive in here. So, Elon Musk and Donald Trump are on Twitter, True Social, wherever they're battling out here, and it is a public battle for all of us to see. And when I dive into the markets today, okay, we were up. It was another great green day this morning until Elon and Donald started to battle it out. All right, and so let me share my screen with you guys here. This is what happened. Elon tweeted he didn't like the bill, the greatest bill in the world, whatever that was, and tweeted boom. Now, it sounds like he didn't like the bill because they were going to take away some EV subsidies, and I don't know how I feel about that. I think if you can't make it on your own, if you can't be competitive on your own, maybe you shouldn't be in the market to begin with. That is my opinion. You can love it, you can hate it. That is fine. But the markets dropped today. We had a pretty big drop. But here's the point. I think this is your next opportunity if you're gonna stop listening to the noise. And here's why I think this is your next opportunity. Check this out. I'm going back into history now. I'm going back to Donald Trump's first time in office. We're talking 2018. And the markets have done almost identical in this term to what they did in 2018 in his first term. And the reason why you're going to like that, the reason why you should be celebrating that, is because in the 4 years that Trump was president in his first term, the markets did incredible. Yes, we had some ups and downs, and yes, we had some crazy news, which, by the way, if you compare the headlines to today in 2025 to what they were in 2018, you wouldn't be able to tell what year we're in. They seem identical. They are almost identical, which again plays into another theory I have. I'm not going to share that today, but they are identical. What was going on in 2018 is almost it's almost identical to what's going on in 2025, and then the markets are doing right now. The markets are almost identical as well, which tells me if the markets behave the way they did in 2018 and 2025, yes, we're going to have some pullbacks, yes, we're going to have some downsides, but here's what I know to be true. If you hung out to the end of his presidency, we were up here. We were we were past it. That's only 2020. We were way up here. From here to here, the markets popped. Yes, we had these big ups and downs, and we had these all arounds, but we had one of the best stock markets easily in the last 20, at this point in the last 22 years by the end of his presidency. But here's what happened. Look, check this out. January 1st, okay, there we are, January. The bottom, April, right there was our bottom. We were down roughly, looks like about 29%. Look at that, April 2nd. January 1st, April 2nd, and then we had this nice little run up all the way into about August before we had a bigger pullback, and then we had a nice little fall rally, which is pretty typical. We usually get that in the stock market. Check this out. I'm going to pull up this year's stock market, okay? I've got the QQQ in front of me. Check this out. Oh my gosh, not quite January. There's end of December into January. We kind of go sideways, but in February, we come down. And then in April, we come all the way back up, and we're back up in this nice little bull trend. So I think, and you can do what you want, but I'm getting in, and I'm going all in right now because this is just an opportunity. This is nothing to be scared of. This is an opportunity to get in, make some money on what I think is going to be the next best 4 years in the stock market. Yes, we might have a recession. Who knows what's going to happen? Yes, we're going to have pullbacks. Absolutely. But for those that are willing to get in, take advantage of these days where the market will drop, 3, 4, 5, 6%, and get in with your money, you're going to win. 100%. This is how you outperform the market, right? While everyone else is just like buying and waiting, this is how you outperform. You put more money in when we pull back like we did today. You put more money in when we pull back, like we had there at the bottom between January and April. You put more money there April and going in here, and you make your money on the way up. But I think today's news has been great news because we need a little bit of a pullback. I need to get some money in the market here, and we were running hot for a good couple of days there. So don't be scared. The news is temporary. The stock market will trump whoever's the president is, whatever the news cycle is. The stock market's going to trump that. You're going to win long term. Don't be scared. Be happy for today's like today.